What's up guys, Fred here. Photoshop recently released new features and I'm covering these new features in small videos to keep it short and simple. In this video we will look how you can convert your black and white image into a colorful, beautiful image. Wow! So here I have my image and let's just select it. Let's go to filter, let's go to neural filters. This is a new thing in Photoshop, so you need to have the latest version. Let's just click on it. And I'm just gonna be honest and tell you that it's not going to work well with all of the images, okay, but it's still good for some of the images. For example, for this type of image, some skies, beach, and it's going to work well. So when we have it, let's go here to better filters, and this is also one of the reasons why it's not going to work well for now, because it's still in beta, as you can see. But here we have Colorize, and if I just turn this on, one click, and we just wait, boom! It's that simple. Wow! I mean, it's that simple when it actually works. So, and this image actually looks pretty good. I would say here we have some colors that you can play with: cyan, red, blue, yellow, and so on. So you can basically, you know, select what color you want to add more. And here we also have this color thing. And I'm not going to use it now because our image looks already good. But in general, the idea is that if you click here, you know, you can select the colors that you want. For example, let's say the skies, you want them to be like this color. For example, let's click OK. And now I can go here and click on the skies here. And it's going to automatically change the color of the skies as well. That's basically the idea. But I will click here minus because it looks good like this as well. So just click OK now. And that's it basically. Our black and white image is now colorful. And but now let's try some other options, you know, where we have different images. For example, I want to try, let's say, this option here. I want to show you other ways it works. And this is the image, and let's go to filter, neural filters, because I don't want to lie to you and be like, oh, it works perfectly. No, it doesn't work perfectly. Let's go to better filters. And now if I, for example, turn on colorize, let's wait, let's look at this. And boom. So as you can see, it did an okay job. It's not too bad, but of course few things are off. For example, some parts of her face are gray and other ones are like brownish. Here I'm not sure if the hair is colored at all. It looks pretty great to me. And what we could do here is we could try this tool. For example, let's say we want her hair to be, I don't know, reddish, maybe a little bit, like dark red, let's say, you know. Let's click here. Okay, now it looks much better. Now we're talking. So now let's click OK, and that's basically our image, and it's not bad. It looks colorful, I would say. So but you still will have to do some adjustments on your own, of course. And again, depending on the image, it may work good or bad. And before we go, just look at this stunning artwork. Wow! And now look at this stunning artwork. Wow! And now look at this stunning artwork. So if you want to learn how I create all of these artworks, make sure to go to my website learnfromfred.com. There you can access my premium Photoshop and After Effects classes where I teach you how to create stunning artworks and animations. I have there tons of projects. You can access all of them for just $5 for your first month. Pretty easy. Link in description. Love you guys. I know you love me too. I know it's mutual, right? Bye bye.